Dear learners, so today we are going to learn how we can work with our attribute table and how we can use this attribute table to represent different information. So let's see how we can work with addition of attributes to different shapefiles. So here is my base map. Okay, and for this base map, I have digitized this particular grid wherein road, rivers have been digitized, then some forest patches have been digitized, and then some tree species have been digitized using different features, that is point, line, and polygon. So right now what I will do, I'll just off my base map, so which I don't need the most. So if you see here, I have some streams here. You can see represented with blue color. Then I have some with some roads represented with red color. Then some forest patches, and then there are some point features representing the um, trees. Okay, so let's go one by one. So how we can add here? So I will just say open attribute table. I'll just right click on that, and you can see there is some information already available. There is something called ID, and there are some names of the different trees. Okay, so I have jackfruit trees, I have coconut trees, and I have banyan trees. Now these trees are basically I need to show it on map. Okay, so I have some attribute information. Suppose you want to add more information, how to add that I'm going to show you in this particular practical, and then we will see how we can save the data. Now, if you want to add some more information about this particular trees, then you can just click on this toggle editing button, and here you need to add one more field. Now I have two already fields created here. One is ID and one is name. Now I'll create one more field using this new field tool. So I will just click on this, and here I will say girth of the tree. Okay, now girth can be written as an integer format, but it can be also decimal, because you might get when you are taking into taking the readings, you will have some decimal values. So I will take decimal numbers. So I will click on okay. So you can say I got girth here. Then similarly I will add height, and then I will again select decimal, and I will click on OK. Now how do you add information? Right now I'm going to use some hypothetical data here. So I have sorted it using alphabetical scheme. Now I'm just giving some random numbers here. So suppose the girth of the banyan tree is 100 meters, and suppose height is around 78 meters. Similarly, second banyan tree will be 110.25, and height will be around just 15 meters. Okay, then third might be around 100 again, and here you assume it as 50 meters. So these are all assumed values what I'm entering. I don't have any data sets related to this, but I'm just showing how you can add some data. So similarly, you can have some 15 meters, say 30 meters is the length, very small banyan tree again. So this is not possible in realistic world, but I'm just giving you some, again, I'm telling you that these are some hypothetical examples. Coconut trees girth can be just to 1 meter, but the height can go up to 30 meters. Okay, 1 meter, 34 meters, 1 meter, 35 meters, 1 meter, 27 meters, 1.1 meter, 25 meters, 1.3 meters, 23.5 meters. Okay, so like this you can add on information. So similarly, if you have some textual information, definitely you can add. Once you do that, you just have to save it, save the data set so that the information gets saved, and then you just have to say toggle mode, editing mode as off. So you just have to click one more time here so that the editing is stopped. Okay, so if you have some data related to any of the area, then definitely you can use this particular attribute information. So this is for point. Then if you want to do it for a road, you just have to go to again open attribute table. Here no more information is there, so I will add some type of roads. I will add one more table here, type. Okay, now type of road will be in text format, text string, and I will just write major and minor. So I have just added here. So what I will do is just select, and which road is being selected. I will see, suppose in my base map, this particular road, what you can see is basically the major road. So you can see this is my major road. So I will write here major road. And rest all are, if you have name also, definitely there is some name is there, NH17, NH17, and these are all minor roads what you have. This is one of the district road here, so again a major road, major, and rest all will be minor. So this is how you can add information. Yeah, so I have done this, so I will save this also. So save the information, stop editing, and similarly you can do it for river, but river is basically it's only one river, again splitting into two. If you want to do, you can do that also when you're doing stream ordering networks and all. So you can also say, so this is the one, this is the main channel, this is the second channel. So I will just give 1 2 3 4 here. I'm not going to create anything, any attribute new field, so I'm just going to do that. And then I will say save, and toggle editing is off. Similarly for forest, you can say there are very few polygons. So forest, I will say here, I'll just on the editing, already fields are created here. I will say RF reserve forest. Then suppose this is private forest. This is protected private forest. I'm using short forms. Okay. Again, a reserve forest, and say, okay, private forest. So I have created this data set. So this is how we can add some information. And if you want to add some information in the boundary, then definitely you can do which grid you are going to map it. So that is not an important element of this particular studies. Okay, so this is how you can add some information about the different features of digitize and attributes of it. Thank you.